What's up everyone, my name is Phil with ThinkMakeDo, and tonight we are working on this abomination of a little master closet thing. As you can tell, I've already tried to install it once, and what I've noticed is there's some extreme differences, I guess, the straightness of the two walls here. So already we had a problem. This is a 30-inch closet door, something they sell, in a 32.5-inch space. And I knew I was gonna have to bolster the walls a little bit to close the gap. So I put in 1 3/4 or almost 2 inches of bolsters on each side, or 1 inch and 1 inch on each side. So 32.5 comes down to 30, and the gaps should be pretty lined up. At the bottom, the gap lines up pretty well, but what I found out later is this door, these walls kind of go like this. So it's almost 33 inches up here and 32 down there, and 32.5 down there. So I don't know if this trim piece will be able to cover everything the way I want it to. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this off, remeasure what these bolsters need to be, cut new ones. I'll probably cut on this side. Not many people will notice, but because I notice right now, I feel obligated to try and fix it. So we are going to try and do that. All right. All right, so I think I have a solution here. Now, instead of messing too much with what we already have done, the easiest thing to do is to shim out these side bolsters and get it to the correct angle so that the width is the same top to bottom. Should have measured that in the first place. Now here's the problem. After measuring, I found that this is 32 3/4 at the top, but at the bottom, it's 32 1/4, or 32 actually. So that is a full 3/4 inch that the gap here widens on this angle. And so these bolsters just have to be shimmed out so they are even top and bottom. So right now I'm at 30 1/4, about here. Down here I am about 30 1/4, but you can see in the middle I am at 30.5. So this piece of wood is kind of naturally bowing inward, so we're gonna have to shim it so it gets to 30 1/4, so it looks more like that. And then I can adjust a little bit the door so it goes a little bit further that way without cleaning this line up. Now the trim is going to cover, a little bit hard to see, but the trim is going to cover the gap that we've created with this side bolster thing. So that's not going to be too big of a deal. All right, let's do it. So that is it on this door, or this closet. It's a quick fix for tonight. I can't do anything right now because these are gonna have to be primed. I'm gonna have to get more of this door trim that's gonna go over and encase it. And I'm gonna have to paint it all semi-gloss, including touching up this door panel, painting that semi-gloss as well. You can see that some of the edges are frayed, and when I modified it, the tops and the bottoms are a little messed up. What you'll notice is I unscrewed the bottom track here, and that's so that tomorrow when we paint, it will be easier to access the bottom here and prime. Well, prime, sand, prime, paint, you get the idea. And then actually on the back side, I think I'm gonna do a 1/4 round. It'll be just, well, I don't know. might be too large here to get the quarter round on, so we might just end up leaving it. I am going to do a track or a piece of wood covering the track up top here. So I'm gonna go and cut that piece and then drill it in. And then you'll notice in one of my other closets, I need to do the same thing at the top here. Well, that's a quick video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned a little bit of something. Not the ideal way that we want to address this closet, but honestly, it's a small add-on closet, more like a coat closet anyway. And you're never gonna look on the inside of it. It'd be nice had we, in hindsight, made sure that this opening was either built for a 30-inch closet or a 34-inch closet, which is the sizes of the pre-made panels, the bifolds that come at your local hardware store, but we didn't know. That's one thing we could have done better. And then also, had we made sure that each post was straight and plumb, we wouldn't have to go jerry-rigging these weird side bolsters at a weird angle. So, lesson learned for the next one, right? All right, catch you later.